Now more than ever, organizations need the right technology to keep their people connected and make progress on their goals and priorities. It's no longer enough to just complete a task and tick a box. And although Excel is familiar to nearly everyone, is it flexible enough to meet your needs when it comes to managing projects and work processes? In this video, we'll take a look at Microsoft Excel, dive into the differences between Excel and Smartsheet, and then provide a quick demo of the Smartsheet platform. Most people who are familiar with Excel know that it is a great tool to crunch numbers and pivot data. Sure, it has some advanced formulas and data analysis capabilities. But here's the deal. It was never intended to be a work management platform. Another tool that thousands of organizations and millions of professionals around the world trust for their work management needs is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a dynamic online platform that can be used by every team in every part of your organization, and even with people outside your organization. Whether managing project plans, developing world-class marketing campaigns, or onboarding new employees, Smartsheet aligns people with technology so your entire business can move faster, drive innovation, and achieve more. Let's take a deeper look at how Smartsheet compares to Microsoft Excel in work management, collaboration, visibility, accessibility, and integrations. Work management. Excel is limited to a grid view, which makes it difficult to plan, track, and report on key workflows. Smartsheet has flexible views to display data, including grid, Gantt, card, and calendar, empowering each person to work in their own way and work together as a team with agility, speed, and accountability. Collaboration. In Excel, version control quickly becomes an issue because updates to data don't happen in real time. Smartsheet is an online platform that allows people to work from anywhere at the same time. Team and project members have the power to share work, attach details, and automate alerts, creating one location to access and efficiently collaborate on projects in real time. Visibility. Excel Online does not have the functionality to roll up data for projects across multiple workbooks, so providing visibility into the big picture is a manual process. Smartsheet reports and dashboards are fully customizable to surface key information across projects. Plus, full version history captures changes and enables auditing. Accessibility. Sharing in Excel can be confusing, and not all features are fully supported. And although Excel allows for co-authoring, it has limited features for managing work. In Smartsheet, work can be shared for free with internal and external stakeholders that can access it from anywhere on any device. Integrations. Excel has integrations with Power BI and Azure, but limited connection with other Office 365 applications. Smartsheet plays well with others. It has 12 Office 365 integrations and many others, including Salesforce, Jira, DocuSign, Google, Box, Dropbox, and more. Sound too good to be true? Let's take a look at Smartsheet in action. In a project sheet, you can easily create, keep track of, and assign tasks. Anyone shared to your sheet can switch between views based on their working style and methodology. Grid View consists of powerful columns and rows to easily track different types of data. Gantt View shows the dependency relationships between tasks. Card View is a visual, agile way to organize and prioritize work. And Calendar View provides visibility of all of your tasks. To keep a close eye on progress, set up dependencies and highlight the critical path. To keep work moving, set up automated update requests so you can trust that you're always seeing the latest status from your team. Schedule reminders so important dates are met. Now, let's take a deeper look at the people doing the work. How well are your projects staffed? Smartsheet makes resource management and capacity planning simple with a dynamic schedule view of what everyone across your company is working on and for how long. including who's available, who's overbooked, and who's out of the office. As work ebbs and flows, you can stay up to date on the status of all projects across your portfolio and forecast what's coming with the right level of detail for every audience. You can roll up data from project sheets to reports and dashboards in order to provide a high-level view of the work getting done. Your dashboard might be an overview of how your project is progressing, a focused look at core initiatives, or a rundown of the work you're doing for your most strategic clients. Smartsheet integrates with your favorite tools to keep your workflow running seamlessly and meets the strictest security standards. Getting started is easy. Choose from a suite of templates to quickly get up and running, or start by uploading your existing work from MS Project, Excel, and Google Sheets. With Smartsheet, you finally have the power to link your company's vision to your program strategy and the day-to-day work of your projects. Join millions of professionals and get started with a free trial today.